Enabling two-factor authentication on your Amazon account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your Amazon account using your email and password. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, hover over Accounts and list at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Login and Security. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on Login and Security. This section allows you to manage your account's security settings, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-step verification. Look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification to ASV Settings. Click on Edit next to this option. Follow the prompts to enable two-step verification, which may involve receiving a verification code via text or email. Step 5. Complete the setup. After enabling two-step verification, you will be asked to enter a mobile phone number or email address where you will receive your verification codes. Follow the instructions to verify your chosen method and finalize the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Amazon account, enhancing its security.